Alright, today we are going to go over a couple of word problems. They are similar word problems, but the math we have to do is different based on what they're actually asking. So, let's just get to it. So Jimmy saved 4,523 pennies in June and 2,532 in July. How many pennies did he save in all? So this is a pretty standard question. This is pretty basic. And how many did he save in all? If he saved this amount in June, this amount in July, we obviously just have to add, right? And 4,523 plus 2,532, and we're just going to use standard algorithm. 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 also 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, so I put the 0 here, carry the 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So the answer would be 7,055 pennies. Alright, so now let's go to the next one. Jimmy saved 4,523 pennies in June and 2,532 in July. Same exact starting. How many more pennies did he save in June than in July? So how many more pennies? That is basically showing the difference, right? And the difference is subtraction. So we need to figure out the difference between these two numbers, which would be subtraction, right? So now we actually have to subtract these. So once again, we're going to do the standard algorithm, but with subtraction this time. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 3, I can't do that, so I have to borrow from the 5. That turns into a 4. Then it is 12 minus 3, which is 9. 4 minus 5, I also can't do that. So this 4 I have to borrow, turns into a 3. 14 minus 5 is 9. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer would be 1,991 in this one. Now, let's go and do this last one, which is a tricky one. Okay, this is similar to one that I made a video of last week, which is called, I think, Tricky Word Problem Alert, something like that. And it is Jimmy saved 4,523 pennies in June, and in July saved 2,532 more pennies than in June. How many pennies did he save in all? So this one starts off slightly different than these ones. In these ones it says he saved this amount in June, this amount in July. But in this one it says he saved this amount in June, and in July saved this amount more than in June. So that means that we don't know how many pennies he saved in July yet. We know it's this amount more than this number, right? But it doesn't give us the exact number yet. So we need to figure out how many he saved in July, and to do that you have to add these two numbers up, because if he saved 2,532 more than what he saved in June and July, then it would just be what he saved in June plus that number to figure out how much he saved in July. So we need to do this again. Unfortunately, I erased it, so we can just go through and just add 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, carry the 1, 7,055. And that's what he got in July now. Now, we have to add this, okay, to the June one. So now, to see what he did in all, we have to add 4,523 to it, because this is what he did in July, this is what he did in June. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 4 is 11. So, although you really got to make sure that you read these questions very carefully, because they are going to trick you. So, yep, 11,578 for this one. Just make sure you understand what they're asking you. But hopefully that helped you for these different word problems.